Hello, dear traders. Here one more time, Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Today, I want to make a video about the strategy for commodities, for oil, gold, silver, for any kind of commodities. This strategy I was used before was the strategy that gave it to me more than 1,000% in 1 year. Really amazing strategy. Now I don't use it because I have two small accounts, and without leverage in Etoro, the minimum for open one position is $1,000. So I just waiting to increase my account, and then I will start do it again this strategy because it's really incredible strategy. It's not difficult, but it's also not simple. Need a lot of time in front of the graphic, and also need to at least try in demo for some months for you understand how to make right the analysis. So let's start. I want to explain you first the strategy with oil because it's really with the instrument I get more results in the last years when I start with this strategy. So let me explain you how it is working. So this strategy, the only stuff you need to do it is find out support and resistance. That's really the simple of the strategy. You don't have really an indicator there. It's without indicators. You just use support, resistance, and sometimes Fibonacci. Normally, I am a bullish trader, so I really only trade in buy. I normally not a person who like to sell. I use sales position only for cover myself. Example, if I think the market gonna go up, I normally intend to open a buy position, I don't know, let's say with $100, and then I cover myself with some sell position in case the market first falling down a little, with some, like say, $25 of sell position. Like this, I cover a little bit myself in case we have a downtrend or a correction, but still I am waiting that the market in the medium, long term go up. So let's explain. Let's say in this chart, we start looking the movement of the chart of the price in the day 4th of February. So this is the 4th of February. The price start moving. And then exactly in this zone here, yes, I know in the beginning it will be not so easy to understand, but just practicing and you will find the way to do it also yourself. He make one strong fall down of the price, then corrected and start going up again. So I can consider this one like a support level. I put here my support. You see also is a coincidence with this top here, one top more here, and here the bottom of this candle. I put here my support level. Then I try to find after support level the more closer resistance level. Then I find out that in this movement, the day 3 and day 4 was make a lot of resistance. So this one become one resistance level. When the price broke above the resistance level, after in some sense, of some pips, I put a buy. Then I buy the price. I only buy, just listen me correctly. I only buy and use, like, say, for this example, $100, but really you need to use a fixed amount of risk from your portfolio. So you need to learn in how to make a good risk management in your portfolio for this strategy to work. Then you buy here. The price start going up, going up, going up, then continue up. At the moment, this support zone, just ignore it, like don't exist. Continue going up. Then he make one maximum and start fall down stronger. That means one correction. Here I am looking for a next support zone. So he make here one support. I draw in his support. And the price start again going up. When going up, here already we have also this resistance level here because it was the maximum of the previous movement. We draw in that resistance level. And in this candle, exactly in this zone here, he broke above. We put again one buy. The price is continue. We still don't put covers of sell because it's don't need it at the moment. This new buy, even if it's going red here, we have a covered by the buy who is below. So we here don't need no one sell cover. That I will explain maybe in the next example with gold. So the price going down, coming closer to the support zone where we can put the next buy or a sell also for cover a sell, but he don't arrive till that point. So the price again change direction and start going up. We already here have as position because we enter in this zone here, and price skyrocket up. So good, we have two positions now in green with very good profits. Price go up, then here around the level of $60.77, he again make a small correction. As you can see here, start be a correction. So we put here as next resistance level, and now we are waiting. Is the price go below the 58.50? We can put one buy again. Okay, we are already in the buy. We can put one sell or cover that position in case the market continue falling down. If not, we just waiting that he broke the next resistance for make a next buy. So that will be in the next hours or days. If he's now going up and arrive to this zone here around 60.80, we can put a next buy. And like this, we have already 3 positions of buy if it's going good. We put covers only if the price start falling down and coming again close to us buy position, pass below, and then some pips below the support level, we will put one sell with the 25% of the buy position. Like this, you cover yourself in case the market drop even further, and you can make some profit also in the way down. If you sell and the price start going up, you still don't close the sell position. You're just gonna make a little bit less profit in the buy, because when you close buy, you close also the sell. And in total, instead of be example $100, wanna be only $75. It's something like this. You mix it both. Okay. Let's now explain the same strategy in the gold. How gonna be in the gold? Let's do the same example. Let's go in chart of 1 hour, and let's go to the day 4. Okay, day 4. Here is the day 4. You can see I can even draw into it. No. Okay, this is the beginning of the day 4. We are in the day 4. The price start dropping. We are waiting to find some good support and resistance levels. So we're waiting first here. There's nothing. But here already show us some kind of support. We have 1, 2, 3 candles who touch the same point. So there become one support. We drawing as support. The price going up and immediately fall down stronger. What happened? He broke a support zone. Then we put one sell. The price going down, we are make profit. Now we have only a sell in the market. Remember, I am a bullish guy, only buy. But here I make one small cover because I see a good opportunity to one small sell. I put sell. When the price already stabilizes and start going up again, I close my sell with some profit. Then we will find here the support zone, and here in the top we find a resistance level. We draw in also as a resistance level. The price going down, he create a new support in this zone and continue going up. In this candle here, before that bottom, the price was crossed as support that now become a resistance. Some pips above we buy, and then price start dropping. No problem, we don't put no one cover because at the moment is don't need it. It's very small position, we can handle it, that situation. Bottom, make a new support and start going up. When going up, we already are inside of the position. Price continue moving up quietly. We just hold it as position. Don't need to put no one cover at the moment. And then price skyrocket up. He go to as next resistance level. Broke it above. We put a new buy without a cover. Again, it doesn't need it at the moment. The price is showing to us that it's completely bullish, so we don't need to put no one cover. Price going up. Here create a new zone of resistance. We can draw in it. Let's draw in the next resistance here. Okay, and price continue going down. He coming where is a second enter and broke below. Here we put one cover, like this, we cover this buy position. Price going down, going down, going down. Here, where is the next buy? We close as cover with some profit. Then the price start going up again. We are quietly again one more time. Going up, pass again to as buy place. We already was buy before, so we just continue how it is. Then again dropping one more time. We put one more time the sell cover. The price is going down, and now in this place we maintain two buy and one sell. That's what we have it. One cover and two buy position. One in green, one in red, and one sell in green at the moment. Now we need to look in. If the price continue drop here, when we arrive to as zone, where is the first buy, we sell, we close the sell position. If he broke below the support zone, we put a new sell for cover this other position. This we already forget about them. And if the price going up, we just continue maintaining the sell position together with the buy. We're gonna make less profit in this position, but we're gonna still make good profit on it. So this is how it's working, this strategy. It's just really working with support and resistance. Buy and sell when it's needed. You can do it only a buy without really cover yourself. Just you need to make a good need to take care of your risk. Very important. If you have a good portfolio management of operation, don't exaggerate how much you put in each operation. You can quietly do this strategy and make a good money. I recommend to don't use leverage at all. I know it's more difficult, you need to have a more big capital, but it's more safety. With leverage, you need to use some stop loss, and this in kind of market that we are actually with so big volatility can be very dangerous. So I hope you understand the strategy. If you have some questions, just comment me down below. I will be very happy to answer you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, very important, and also to click the like button. That is our best way you can do it to support this community. Now in these days I'm gonna start make some example of this strategy with oil in a Telegram group in Spanish, Italian, and English. Okay, in the future these examples of strategy gonna appear only in the Telegram supporter. I will make a video now in the future explain what is this supporter channel, but will be very interesting and for sure many of you gonna like it. So thank you one more time for looking the video and see you next time. Ciao guys.